Hey guys, today I have a new project in a PHP you can download. This is actually a login functionality, but this is a different type of login. Admin only can create account, and you can manually send a username and password to user, right? So sometimes we need such functionality to protect our pages. So everything we will learn from scratch, and this code will help you to make your application, right? So let's understand this application. So let's log out. So currently I'm an admin. Okay, this is a user login. Once you get a username and password from admin, right, admin can send a username and password manually to you if you're a user, right? So this is a user login and this is admin login. Let's type admin. So this is admin login. So let me log in to my admin and login, right? So I'm logged in. So let's create a new user and new user at the red test.com of something. So if username is already exists, it will show username already exists. Let me show you. Okay, but why it's saying yeah, it's okay, no problem. Let me type my username and my username at the red test.com of something, and you use a password is test. Okay, my username and password is test. Okay, so let's create. So user has been created. So let's check it's created or not. Come here and paste. So you can see this is my username, and this is email address, and this is password. So admin can send this credential to the user. Okay, so let me one more thing I want to show you. That is a database table. The password also encrypted, right? So this is a non-encrypted password, and this is a let me show you this PHP login, where it is PHP login. Let me show you. Here is PHP login, and inside we have a two tables, which are accounts and auth admin. So let's check accounts. Okay, so accounts, these are the passwords, non-encrypted passwords, and these are the encrypted passwords, right? So this is secure login functionality. Only admin can create a user, create an account for the user, and you admin can send a username and password manually to user, right? So let me log in to user. Okay, so my username and password is test. So let's log out. So this is admin currently. So let me log in to user, right? So you can come here and just type my username, something like, and password is test. So let's log in, right? So this is a user login. You can redirect to something else, right? If your application on a different page, you can protect any page, right? You can redirect to any other page. I am currently on a home page, right? So this is very helpful when you are making something amazing, and if you want to protect any page, and admin can share a username and password. Okay, if admin create. So such a functionality is very useful. So you can download this source code. I'll put a link in a video description, and next part we will write a code for this functionality in a PHP. Okay, so if you like this, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.